See the sand?
Oh,
that's all
coming.
from its gut.
That's
yeah.
Wow.
It's actually doodle, but it's sand.
No, right.
It's grinding.
Yeah.
You take it, and just grab it, and you go backwards. See it? Pretty easy, huh? Okay, your turn. Put it down, and then you just grab it from here.
So, like with your thumb?
Yeah, hold the tongue.
Put it
Use
underneath.
two hands. And use your nails, because nothing can poke you on this fish.
Can't even open it.
Okay, let me start it up for you. So you go like this. Once you get your finger on there, here. Okay, and you just go slide to side. Like this. You see it? So I'm going side to side. A little scared because nothing can poke you on this. There you go.
All right.
He'd be like, Mom,